Welcome to Class Catalyst, your light-touch SEL solution that lets you know your students better. If you're a Clever Sync district, this video will walk you through how to log in and set up your class. To get started, log into Class Catalyst either through your Teacher Clever portal or from the Class Catalyst app. Since your district uses Clever, your class roster will be synced directly to your Class Catalyst teacher account. If your roster changes throughout the year, students will automatically be added via the nightly sync. Once you've signed in, click on the menu. Then go to the settings page to find your class. Here you can make any changes that you need to your class name, grade level, or check-in flow by clicking the Edit button next to your class name. Click on Menu, and then Student Details to see your student roster. Now you're ready for your students to check in.